Greetings everyone. Today I will teach you how you can manage your daily tasks so that you can achieve your assigned timelines and tasks and effectively achieve your goals. I will open the application that is named as asana.com. I am going to the browser and write down the name of the application and I am going to search it. The application is just loading. Let me wait for the loading, and the application has been loaded finally. The screen that is showing right now is the dashboard of the application. You have three parts of the screen. The first one is leftmost, that is all about the menu of that application, the modules that are available in the application. The second one is the home of the application that will show you your project and your task. And the third one is rightmost that will show you the status of your profile, if it is upgraded or not upgraded, or you are a premium member or basic level. I will start from the leftmost. In the menu, you have first tab named as Home, and the home site is open right now. In the home, you have the list of the project you have created or you want to create. You have a button named as New Project, and if you want to create a new project, you will click on the button New, and it will show you three options. For one is blank project, second one is template if you want to customize your project with a template, and if you want to import a spreadsheet, you can select the spreadsheet option. I will click on the button use a template, and that option will show us available templates of the projects. Here we have a template named as meeting agenda. If we look, that project template is basically a list based project, and in the template we have a list of tasks, and we can monitor the task name and assignee whom you have assigned the task and the priority of the task. And I like that template, so I will use that template. I will click on the use template here. I will name out the project, that is, for example, test project IT. Here we have our second option named as team. We have a list of team if we have created, so I have only one team created. I will click on the information team that is already selected. I will select the privacy of the project. I have selected public to information technology team. I have clicked on create project, and system redirected me to the project list. Here I have three sections of the template. First is discussion topics, second is action items, and the third one is growth opportunities. Let me edit the first one. We have discussed a topic named as, for example, developing a game. Developing a game. So we are basically discussing in our team about a game development. So the second one is make the game framework friendly. So the second discussion is about how to make the game framework friendly. Either we want to install it on Android based system, or we want to install it on iOS based system. It must be framework friendly. So we have to define the action items. What actions we have to take so far we can achieve the goal. Okay, what action we have to perform so that we can achieve the goal of developing a the game. So the first action is recruit a team of professional developers. Okay, here we have to classify the developers. So the developers must be skilled to number one, Android, number two, iOS, number three, Flutter, number four, Unity, and some of front end. Okay, so if we have to discuss about the make the game framework, so if we talk about the framework of the game, we have decided an action that is to use Flutter technology that will allow us to basically you can say responsiveness and flexibility of the developed system. So we obviously have to discuss some growth opportunities or finalize a growth opportunities, like we have decided that we can uh, earn about $5,000 by using AdSense or any of the monetization platform. So I have created a project with discussion points, action items, and growth opportunities. I have to assign these tasks to my to the particular persons who were the participants of that meeting. So the first one is to developing a game, that is a discussion point, so that is not a task that should be assigned to someone. But in action items, we have to assign our task to the team members. So I will click on the option and I have team members that were participants of the meeting. I will select Mr. Muhammad Hasnan, who will recruit a team of professional developers, and Mr. Hasnan Umar is also skilled in the technology point, so he will recruit the developers as well. Further, in the growth opportunity, we can say Mr. Hasnan Umar is also part of marketing team. Here we have an option for the due date. Mr. Hasnan Umar must have to recruit the developers and the team recruiters on 24th of the month, and I have assigned and selected the priority to 5 hours for both tasks. So we have the next option on the right side of the application is for my tasks. Sorry, here is my task. I have clicked on my task and I have a list of tasks. I have recently created these tasks that are showing on the top, and the old tasks are also showing in the task list. I can monitor my task in different ways, in a list, in a board. I clicked on the board and it's showing on the board way, and in calendar way, in a file way. So you can select the visual way you are, you can say easy, you can feel easy. So if I click on the inbox, Here you can talk to your your team member and ask for the status of the task and so on. So let's talk about the reporting section of the application. Reporting section is basically a premium feature of that application. If you purchase a premium subscription of your application, you can select you can use that option for generating reports of your projects. Here you have another option for portfolios where you can manage your portfolios or your team's portfolios. Even you can share the portfolio link to the clients for trust building. And the next one is goals. This section of the application shall allow you to monitor your application and let you know to monitor it for the achievement of goals or the distance that you have covered and the remaining for achieving that goal. And the next one is about favorites, where you can mark your project as a favorite one or any of less favorite, etc. Here you have another option labeled as teams, where you can monitor your teams. If you have a teams developed, here I have information technology team, you can add one more team that will show you the next project. If you have a new project, you can create a team first that will perform that project. If I talk about the upgradations features of the application, we have three options for the upgradation of that application. First one is premium, the second one is business, and third one is enterprise. And the premium feature, you can have the access to timeline reporting, custom fields, rules, forms, tasks, dependencies, dashboards, private project start, and the price of the project is feature is $10.99. And the business, you have additionally integrations with Salesforce, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Tableau. And the price of that package is 24.99 USD. And you have one more package that is enterprise. Here you can basically contact and ask for the additional features for your project management, and the Asana team will develop custom modules for you so that you can manage and perform your project in a way that you actually want to control. Okay, so that was the whole concern about the Asana. If you have any question, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can comment on the video. I will immediately respond on the comments and WhatsApp. Okay, thank you so much.